Hello traders, so I am back with another video, and in this video we are going to take trades over 4 to 5 minute time frame, and we're going to analyze 1 minute candlestick chart by using support and resistance level, price actions, and some candlestick psychology. So before starting, I want to convey that if you are new to this channel, we have a blogger website also where you can visit and read articles related to trading written by me. The link is given in the video description. So as you can see, we are on the chart, and if we see it, you can see that this is an uptrend. The trend is not that strong, but still it is an uptrend. If you draw a trend line, you can say that this is a uptrend. So this is our trend. As you can see, this is a trend line, and it's been broken by this strong bearish candle. So the trend is still uptrend, and this reversal is happening because of these levels. You can see these are support levels. This is a support zone actually, and that's why market is reversing from that very level. And as we can see, okay, um, okay, no, we will not take a trade here. The market is kind of messy now, so I will wait till we have a clear vision about the chart. So as you can see, market is going upward. Let me remove it. So as you can see, market is going upward because of this support level. This is a strong zone of support. It's all buyers zone, and it's going upward. So let me draw. Okay, we have a major level of resistance here also. Okay, so this is our major level of resistance, and you can see it's been tested like 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times. So we can trust this level because this is a strong level, and if there is a breakout, the market will going to continue its trend in the upward direction for a very long period of time. So right now, as you can see, market is moving in a range. It is creating a range. You can see this is the range of the market. If we increase the level, you will see that market for a very long time it's moving in that range. So what it is doing is creating pressure in the market, which is a good thing for us, because when there is a pressure and it's been released by a breakout, it is going to continue its direction or the breakout direction for a longer period of time. Suppose if market breaks this above resistance level, the market will then going to continue to go upward for a very longer period of time, and if in the downward direction, it will going to continue to go in a downward direction for a very longer period of time, because this is creating pressure. The consolidation is creating pressure here. According to the price action, there is a pressure, there is a fight between buyers and sellers. So you can see market is moving in a range. So for current situation, I don't see any trading opportunity because I don't trade in ranging market. What we need is a trendy market, and we will only going to find a trendy market once there is a breakout from that range. So we will wait until there is a breakout. Now let me switch to different chart. So in this chart, I can say that the market is moving in a range also. This is the range of the market, and okay, so market is moving here also in a range, and we can wait for a breakout and then we can place here our trade. So as you can see, market is moving in a range here also, so we will wait until and unless we find a trading opportunity. So I will wait patiently here. Till then, until and unless I find a good setup, I'm not going to take a trade. Only and only we will take trades when we are very sure about something, when the setup is completing, is meeting all the required confirmations. Here the market is moving in a range, so we are not going to take a trade in a ranging market. So in this chart, Euro USD, the market is in range, it's moving in a box. Same goes in this chart as well, it is moving in the box also. So we will wait until and unless we find a trading opportunity. So we have to wait here, we can't do anything about it, but I think that this market will going to give us a breakout soon. rather than this, because this is having a long range. The range is quite big here. You can see market can move from this level to this, so the area is huge in comparison to this euro USD chart, where you can see that the area of travel or area of movement is very small. So it is soon going to give us a breakout because the pressure is creating here. So we will wait, and whenever there is a breakout, we will take a trade for the next 5 minutes. If you are taking reversals, if it is a trend reversal or a retracement reversal, we will going to take 4-minute trades, and when there is a breakout, we are going to take 5-minute trades. This is our strategy. We only place our trades according to three setups: the reversal, the retracement reversals, and the breakout strategy, which I have explained in my previous video. And if you haven't watched it, you make sure you watch that video also, because I have explained two live trading setups on that video. So we will wait here until and unless there is a breakout, because breakout gives good momentum. So it's moving, and if there is a breakout, we are good to take a trade in the downward direction. See, the market is in a range, so there is no trend to follow. I'm talking about the minor trend. When we are taking trades over 4 to 5 minutes, we only focus on the minor trend. When there is no minor trend, we can go with the breakout in any direction. In this case, the market is in ranging mode, so we can take trades once we have the breakout. And I think we will soon going to take a trade on this chart. Let's wait. So market is reversing from that level. There is a support level. This is a support level. Buyers are fighting here also. There is a constant rejection from these levels. You can see so many rejections from that very level, and here story is same. Let's see the next chart. The story is same here. Market is moving in the range, inside the range, so we can't do anything about this chart. What we can do is to wait until we find a breakout. So we will wait here, because I'm sure about this chart that this will give us a good trading opportunity soon. And let's see, if this is a breakout, we can take the trade. We will wait, and after taking the trade, I will explain you this whole setup, why I have taken the trade, every point that I have noticed. And it's a good candlestick pattern. You can see it's a good engulfing pattern, or you can say Marubozu candlestick actually. So okay, I have taken the trade here for the next 5 minutes. So let me explain you the setup here first. So first of all, talking about the trend, there is no trend. Market was moving in a range. The second thing is we got resistance and support and a range in which market was moving for a very longer period of time. It almost an hour or half an hour market was moving in that range. Third thing, we got a good candlestick pattern breaking that very support level. It's a Marubozu candlestick pattern, which is a very strong signal that the sellers are pushing the market in the downward direction. Talking about the momentum, there is no momentum. As you can see, the market was moving in a range, so the momentum was not there, but this candle shows us that there is a strong downward movement, so we can go with the flow. So we have taken all these things into consideration. There is no price action because this was a consolidated market, so no price action was there, no trend was there. What we did, we waited for a breakout with a good candlestick pattern at support level. After the consolidation creates pressure, which gets released by a good candlestick pattern, and the market will continue to go in that direction. So that's why I have taken this trade. It's an easy setup. It will take some time to understand, but it's an easy setup, and this is how you can take breakouts. And whenever you see consolidation, always wait for the breakout with a good candlestick pattern, because what you will find that the market will continue to go in that direction for a very longer period of time. The breakouts works best because they gives instant results. Reversal takes time, but when there is a breakout, the breakouts will continue to go in that direction. And talking about the fake breakouts, some of you may find fake breakouts, but the most important thing which you have to notice is that the candlestick size is what matters the most in a breakout. When you find an uncommon candlestick, like a very big candlestick and with a breakout, then you can't trust that candlestick. If you find a small breakout, like suppose if this candle, this red bearish candle was formed like till this level, I cannot consider it a breakout because I need a clear breakout. This is a clear breakout. You can see almost 40% of the candlestick is below the support level, previous support level. Now it is a resistance level. You can see market is reversing from that very level. These are the reversal. You can see the wicks are representation of the sellers rejecting the level. This is the resistance, and that's why sellers are rejecting from that very level. So that's why I have placed the trade, and let's wait for the next 2 minutes, and the results is going to come out soon. So let's wait, and you can see market the candle closes just below the resistance, newly formed resistance. We can say it was previously a support, it's now a resistance level. It's a strong candle, but still it is not able, it was not able to break that resistance level. So it is respecting this level. Clear rejection from the market is going downward direction, so we have taken the trade. And I got one comment in the previous video that why I am using 4-minute trades and 5-minute trades, why not 3-minute, 2-minute, 6-minute, 7-minute. So let me explain you. There is no such concept about it, but I was practicing so many times, like it took so many time that the results I compared, I was getting the best results when I'm taking trades over 4 minutes, whenever I'm taking trades on the reversals, and whenever I'm taking trades over the breakout, the best results were on the 5 minute. That's why I'm taking trades when there is a breakout for the 5 minutes, and on reversal I'm taking 4-minute trades. Okay, so this is the concept behind it, because it is you can say it is test like a hit and trial method. I was getting the best results on 4-minute and 5-minute. That's why I selected that time frame. Otherwise I should have other time frames also, but the best results I was getting on these time frame only. So that's why I have selected these time frames. So as you can see, the result is going to come out in the next 23 seconds. So let's wait. As you can see, market is clearly moving in a downward direction. You can see the wick, the rejection from that level. It is showing that the market wants to go down, and it will continue to go down. I have no doubt about it. The rejection, this is a clear rejection from the sellers from that very resistance level. So we got the results, and the trade finished in profit. So this is the setup I have explained. Let me explain you one more time. So first thing that I noticed, that there is no proper trend here, so we don't have to worry about in which direction we are going to take trades. The second thing is the momentum, the price action. I cannot see any price action because this is a consolidated market. Third thing which I noticed, that the market is moving in the box. This is the box, the resistance and the support. Fourth thing, there is a breakout, and the breakout is with a good strong bearish candlestick, and that's why I placed the trade, because this is a breakout trade. So this is the whole concept behind it. That's why I have taken this trade. This is a strong move by the sellers. Previously market was moving in a range, the breakout happened, and the momentum was strong also. So I placed the trade here for the next 5 minutes. Now let's see if we have any opportunity here, and still you can see market is moving in a range. And so I think I will finish this video here, because it will take like an hour or 2 hours, I don't know how much, but it will take time for the market to break these levels. And I think one example is enough for today, and we'll continue to make more videos to make it easy for you guys to understand it very well. So I think I have done I have explained everything that is necessary for you guys to know. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down below and ask your questions. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.